In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to verify domain ownership using DNS inside your Hostinger account. DNS verification is commonly required when connecting your domain to third-party services such as email providers, website builders, or analytics platforms. By the end of this guide, you'll understand exactly how to complete the process correctly. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Hostinger website. Log into your account to access your hosting dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the H panel, Hostinger's control panel. From the main dashboard, locate the Domain section. This is where all domains connected to your account are listed in Managed. Click on the domain you want to verify, then select DNS/nameservers or DNS Zone Editor. The exact label may vary slightly depending on your interface version. This is where you manage DNS records, such as A records, CNAME records, and TXT records. Most domain ownership verifications require adding a TXT record. The service requesting verification, for example Google, Microsoft, or another platform, will provide you with a TXT record name, often @ or a specific host value, a TXT record value, a verification string, sometimes a TTL value. You can usually leave this as default. Click Add Record, choose TXT as the record type, and enter the exact details provided by the service. Be precise, even small formatting errors can cause verification to fail. After adding the TXT record, save your changes. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on TTL settings and global DNS caching. Once the record has propagated, return to the platform requesting verification and click Verify. If everything was entered correctly and propagation has completed, your domain ownership will be confirmed. Verifying domain ownership through DNS is a secure and reliable method because it proves you control the DNS configuration. It's commonly used when setting up email authentication, connecting domains to hosting platforms, or enabling third-party integrations. That's it. You've successfully learned how to verify domain ownership using DNS in Hostinger. With your domain properly verified, you can confidently proceed with connecting it to other services and expanding your online presence. Stay tuned for more clear and practical website management tutorials.